Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Maya. In today's video, we are gonna install the screen protector for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So let me take the Galaxy Watch Ultra and so let's place it over here. And I have having a case also from Caseology. So you can see, and let's skip it. And this is the Spigen's screen guard, and you can see the specs and all over here. So let's check what are we getting over here. So let's see. Okay, so starting off the installation kits, two of them are there, and then what is this? Okay, so dust removing stickers and a pad for keeping the watch like this, and then cleaning wipes, two of them, and a wiping cloth and a tool to adjust if bubbles anything is coming, and a guide is also here. You can see the installation guide is well mentioned over here. So let's start off. First of all, let me placing the pad over here and placing the watch over it, and now you can see it won't be, see, is not pushing. So let's keep it over here, and the next we are gonna do is cleaning with a wipe, and let me do it. So okay, so it's a big wipe if compared to the normal. Oops, too big one. You can see. Wow. So I'm just wiping the entire thing where we need to apply the screen guard. You can see should be really clean, else it's gonna have some bubbles. And you can see now it's almost clean. And I suggest to use each and every time use different sides of this cloth, and you can just change the angles to see any issue. Okay, now it seems almost perfect, so let's keep it back over here. And now we are going to do is the microfiber. So this is the microfiber, and we are just going to wipe it completely. Now it's become a bit dry, and now you need to check either it have minor, very minor dust or dirt particles anyway. So if you see any minor one of them, take one of this dust remover sticker over here. So suppose if here is having a minor, very minor, you can just place like this and you can do like this. So now it would be over here. So I am doing it all the sides because sides are very risky for this minor dirt to be over there. So see, now it seems I just tried with all angles. Now it seems perfect. Now let me place over here, and let's keep this sticker here itself. Just taking the EZ fit tray over here, and on a remove, you can see it's written adhesive side remove. So just remove like this. See, okay, it's removed, and now just place. So you can see, just place like so. Make sure this is the top end. So you can see on the right, and now you can see I just placed it perfectly. Okay. Now the next thing you need to do, so this is the top and this is the bottom, so you need to be clear, you need to check this arrow. So now you need to place this exactly like this, and before that you have a back sticker over here. So let's remove it. So you can see it's removed, and now should be straight, and it should be placed exactly. Now you can see, and should be pressed on the middle. Okay, so I have pressed the middle, and so let's wait for a few seconds, approximately 10 seconds, something like that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are getting the second sticker over here. So just gonna remove it. 3, 2, 1, and oh, you can see, and you can see it's almost perfect, but here is an issue. So just get the tool over here. Just get the tool and do this thing. See, perfect. And see, now you can see no sort of issues. Perfect. And if you are feeling any sort of issues, just do this thing again. You can see it's perfect. And now we are getting the third sticker over here. So just get it off, and you can see here is the screen protection installation. And now let's check how is the touch sensitivity. Oh, Samsung. And let's install the straps as well. So here is a button to install. So let's press it over here, and okay, done. And the next one, button over here, pressing over here and installed. So it's really fast and quick. So it's done. Now let's check the sensitivity, and you can just use this also. You can see really, I give a close-up, really clean. It's the main thing is regarding the sensitivity, so that's the thing should be checked, because you watch it should have a really nice sensitivity. So let's check it. I'm touching very slow, very low. Okay, sensitivity is a bit affected, but not an issue. You can see, yeah, if you're, yeah, you can see it's a bit affected. So very soft touches, you can see I'm doing a very soft touch. Oh, still it's okay. Very soft touch have some minor issues, but you can see as a regular normal touch, you can see it works fine. You can see no sort of issues, and see, working perfectly. So you can see, and one more thing is there regarding this case. So actually I have bought this case. Oh, that's from the case already, and the best thing is actually it will give a really nice protection. But the thing regarding this case is this, the complete look of the Ultra would be gone, because it would be appear like just a normal watch. You can see just like a normal watch. So that's the main thing. So if you are still interested, you can just buy this Caseology Watch Ultra case from Amazon. And so that's how the Galaxy Watch Ultra looks. So stunning. So guys, that's it today. Signing off. It's One Mania.